Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I have the Xiaomi Redmi 8A and the 7A, and I'm gonna do some intense speed tests over these two phones and see what is the real difference between these two phones. And because they do have similar specification, it's just a little bit here and there. It's a little bit different here and there, but yeah. Just a heads up guys that the video is gonna be fast forward, so you don't have to sit through what I have to go through the entire video where I have to see the app loading time here and there to synchronize the video here and there as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, the Redmi 7A and the Redmi 8A both load the daily app, calendar, calculator, YouTube, which is all running pretty well and smooth and snappy. And here is the part where it started to struggle for both devices, as this is both entry-level phones, so this is something that is a bit intense for these two phones, but you know, we are doing it for fun anyway. So this is where the struggle begins. The Redmi 7A is a little bit far behind, but when it comes to loading games, you can see that it loads a little bit faster compared to the 8A. And then we move on to the S Fold 9, and for some reason the 8A struggles a bit, and because at the end of the Call of Duty it seems like it's going to be on par, but the moment we tap on 8A, well, it did a bit slower. And now moving on to the Marvel Future Fight. Both loaded up pretty much almost the same, and the 7A is a little bit struggling to beat. To my surprise, the 7A loaded up the game first. And then moving up to the DC Legends. And the 7A is definitely killing it and is really on Instagram. The 7A does have a little bit of struggle when it comes to trying to export the videos. And then now the 8A is trying to catch up, but as you can see, it's really moving on to the speed test right now. And moving on to Twitter, and then now we're gonna export a 4K image at Adobe Lightroom. So this is gonna take some time. As usual, I'm gonna speed things up. The 7A finished the export of the 4K image first, and then they both ended up almost the same time. But as you can see that I have struggled a little bit towards the 7A where I can't find the navigation button. And the second round which is already started, as you can see, and you can tell that all those daily necessary app did a little bit of refresh, which requires a little bit of time to load, but it still loads as fast as possible. And the struggle is where the game part, where it takes longer to load. And the 7A has already finished loading PUBG, which is pretty amazing. And really moving on to Call of Duty, and they are almost neck to neck, I would say, but the thing is I can see the 8A is still falling behind. And still the current speed winner right now is still going super fast with the 7A. And the 7A is really moving on to the S Fold 9, where the 8A is still loading Call of Duty. And for some reason the 8A trying hard to load the Aspect 9 and is making it slower. And the 7A is really on DC Legends. It's almost till the end, whereas the 7A is almost gonna win. I hope the 8A catch up because 8A is still far behind, and well, that's advertisement in my 7A. Hopefully that delays that little bit for the 8A to catch up, but I don't really think so. And the 8A is now on DC Legends, and the 7A is almost to the end. Oh my god, advertisement. I am surprised for both devices where they're still open for video shop where the export area, so which is actually pretty great. And then where this is the part where it started to struggle, which is all the Adobe Lightroom part, which is on 7A. As you can see, it's still exporting 4K images. And done. The Redmi 7A just ends at 12 minutes. Well, and this is the part where I speed up the 8A to have faster ending to see the result. As you can see, both result on this and first round, which is pretty much neck to neck. And the second round, as you can see, the winner right now is the Redmi 7A, which is really odd, especially the 8A is a newer device compared to the 7A. If you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe, and also do hit the notification bell button, and hopefully you like this video. And remember to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everything links down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!